Hello, in this video we're going to divide two mixed fractions. So I have two mixed fractions set up right here. Just like any other mixed fraction, the first thing we're going to do is convert them to improper. So I'm going to come down here and write out the mixed fraction. So we got 3 3/4. And then as an improper fraction, again what you're going to do is you take 4 times 3, that's 12, plus 3, that's 15 fourths. And then we have our second one, so that's 1 and 15 over 21. All right, as an improper, what you're going to do is take 21 times 1, which is 21, plus 15, and you're going to get 36, so that's 36 over 21. So we're going to come back up to the original problem again, and instead of writing it out in mixed fractions, I'm going to write it as improper. So we get 15 fourths divided by 36 over 21. So now that we have it in improper fractions, we can then use our normal division of fractions. And the way that that worked would be you would leave the first fraction alone. Because remember, we have this rule about division of fractions. You can divide by the original fraction, or you can multiply by the reciprocal. So instead of dividing by 36 over 21, we can multiply by 21 over 36. All right. So now I can multiply the top across, and I can multiply the bottom across, and I can try to reduce. But I can try reducing now. Anything that's on top and anything on the bottom, it's possible that we can divide out some of their common factors. So let's take a look. Anything that we see may have a common factor. Well, I do see a 15 and a 36, and they both share a 3. So if I divide a 3 out, I'm going to get 5. And here, divide a 3 out, I'm going to get 12. All right, let's see what else we have. Well, 5 and 4, they share nothing. 5 and 12, they share nothing. 21 and 12, they do share something. They both share a 3. So I'm going to cross out 21 and 12, and I'm going to divide out their common factor, which is 3, which is going to give me 7. And then when you divide a 3 out of a 12, you're going to get a 4. So now what do we have? We have 7 over 4, 7 over, well, none of these have anything in common. We already said that a 5 doesn't have anything in common with these. And so we are actually done. So we're going to multiply across the top now. So that's 5 times 7 over 4 times 4. And that's going to give me 35 over 16. So this is our answer as a an improper fraction. If you do need to convert this back to a mixed fraction, what you do is you'd come over here and you do sort of like a long division problem. All right, so we have the divisor, 16 on the outside. You ask yourself, how many times does 16 go into 35? And it's twice, because 2 times 16 is 32. And we would subtract 35 minus 32, that's going to give me 3. Now I'm out of digits, right? There's nothing here anymore. And 3 is smaller than 16, so we are done. This is our remainder. Okay, so here's the remainder. This is the quotient. So our answer is going to be the quotient, 2, and then we have the remainder over the divisor.